Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error Intel graphics not showing. To start, open the Windows Store. In the search box, enter Intel. Click on Intel Graphics Command Center. After this, click on Install. You will wait for the application to be downloaded and installed on your computer. At the end of the process, click Open. You can see the utility opens. You will accept the use license and will have access to the various options of the Intel graphics panel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.